Hello students, welcome to the Pole Science of Class 12 Arts, and today we will start with the topic of globalization from a new chapter. And previously we read about the term globalization, its introduction and the definition, and we also read about why the globalization process reached India very lately. Now today we will start from understanding this picture. Here you can see there are both negative and positive impact of globalization as being given in the picture. We will start understanding the picture of globalization through the right handmost side. First comes the integration of economies. That means it is a positive point. Then globalization has given equality also and inequality also. Clear? Then advanced communication in terms of communication technology has arrived, which has helped the human generation a lot. Then it has given recognition to many ideas created worldwide. Then it has given birth to trade versus aid. Clear? Then outsourcing is there. That outsourcing means many foreign companies are welcomed and they are investing in other countries. After that, many brands, new brands, branded things have reached to the footstep of every people around the world. If you want to wear the branded clothes or branded shoes, we can get it easily through the showroom. So it has been possible due to the impact of globalization. Then exploitation can be regarded as the negative impact of globalization. All these points we will try to understand descriptive way in a few slides afterwards. Then globalization related to growth, globalization related to poverty. Clear? After that, globalization is also related to the environment, then monopoly power, then it gave birth to capitalism, various cultures came, free trade was also there. Then technology wise, the internet, which is a sensation in 21st century, came to the worldwide. Then shrinking world, that means the world has become very small place due to the advancement of technology. Then terrorism and accountability. So all these factors, which are either positive or negative, has played an important role through the globalization process. After that, if we try to understand about the causes of globalization, so there are overall 10 points. Starting from number 1, if we start, speed of these flows has increased. First and foremost thing is that due to the cause of globalization, due to the process of globalization, the speed of these flows, which flows we are talking about? The flows related to ideas, capital, commodities, people, technology, knowledge and information. So all these flows, whatever the speed was there before, it has increased much than that. After that, technology remains as the critical element, and in this flows, all flows of ideas or communications or whatever the flows are there, if it has increased, then only one and only thing that is required or that has remained is the technology. Without technology, the success of globalization is not possible. After that, the invention of telegraph, the telephone and the microchip also worked for the success of globalization. In the yesteryears, the invention of telegraph was made, the invention of telephone was made, and microchip was also invented. So all these things also related to the success of globalization. After that, number 4, internet and worldwide net. That means with the coming of internet and the worldwide net, that means whenever you go to Google and you just want to search anything, you just type www dot, and whatever you are trying to search, you can search that. So it has become possible due to the introduction of globalization in the world. So the internet and worldwide net has actually made the world a very small place to get any information within a very quick span of time. After that, the development of high speed transporting system. So in related to that, I had given the example of an individual who wishes to go to USA can reach there within a very short span of time or within a few days. So what is the cause of that? Cause is of course globalization, and under globalization, due to the advanced, or you can say due to the speed of transporting system, high speed transporting system is there, with which you can reach there within a very short span of time. In the in the earlier times, the only communication that was there was the waterways. No aeroplane or no roadways was there. But with the coming of globalization and new technologies, the communication improved, and with that the transporting system also improved, due to which an individual can reach to any part of the world within a very short span of time. Then moving on to point number 6 of the causes of globalization is the printing technology. So the earlier previous point was about the technology related to the transportation system. Now the sixth causes of point related to the causes of globalization is the technology in terms of printing. Clear? After that, mass media and electronic media. And as we know that if we are having the satellite connections, or you can say if we have digital TV's connections like the Tata Sky, the Airtel TV, or any other mode of communication, we can have the news channel that are available worldwide. We can watch BBC also, which is possible due to all this impact of globalization that has been made. So the impact of mass media and electronic media is also very much strong in this matter. After that, stock market exchanges. The biggest stock market exchange in India is BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. So likewise, the causes of globalization has led to the success of stock market exchange also, where people are earning lots of money through the international stock exchanges also and through the national stock exchanges also, located in every country. After that, money market. So the causes of globalization has also worked for the money market, that has actually uplifted the standard of living among the people. After that, the last point related to the causes of globalization is modern education, professional degrees such as MBA, BTech, MCA and medical degrees. So earlier all these degrees were not at all available at the same time. These degrees came as a result of the impact of globalization, but these degrees were not available at a time. These degrees came one after the other, and now in the 21st century, all the aspiring students who wishes to grab this degree, be it the MBA, Master of Business Administration, or be the BTech in the engineering division, or if a candidate wishes to acquire MCA, that is Master of Computer Application, or any medical degrees like the MBBS or the nursing, so that particular student can acquire the degrees by reading in his or her own place also, and or by if he or she wishes to go abroad and have these degrees. So it is now very much possible due to the impact or due to the success of globalization. Clear? Now one picture is there related to the causes of globalization. As you can see that in the yesteryears, that means in the history, previous time, as I have said that the only way of communication was the waterways. Now you can see in the 21st century the new connectivity. The new connectivity, that means flows of ideas, and flows of ideas are related to all these things, starting from ideas, capital, commodities, people, technology, knowledge and information. So as you can see in the right hand most side, that under the new connectivity, all these flows of ideas, communication, whatever the 7 flow of ideas were there, this has actually worked for the success of globalization, and it has created a new connectivity system around the world. And in another picture you can see here that the speed of communication, why we are telling that speed of communication or the advancement of communication technology has arrived in the world, which has made the world a very small place. Why we are saying? Due to this, by the picture you can understand that here a lady is talking through the video conferencing through the help of a laptop and internet connectivity. So what it has made successful, it has made like she can talk to anyone whom she wishes through this communication or this advancement of technology by sitting in her native place also. So here you can see the speed of communication has reached even to the rural poor. That means this lady belongs to the rural area and her son is supposedly working somewhere in the foreign countries. So due to the communication or due to the advancement of technology, she can see her son also by living in the rural remote areas through the use of technology. So we can say that the impact of globalization has done tremendous job, because of the fact that even a person sitting in the remote area can see the other persons who is actually working or living in other part of the world through this same communication only. These are all what the flow of ideas, communications, whatever the 7 points were there, these are the flows of that thing which has actually made the process of globalization a very successful one, and it is now prevalent all over the world. So with this I will wind up today's topic. So in today's topic we started from various aspects of globalization, that is the negative impact also and positive impact also. After that we read about the 10 points under the causes of globalization, and lastly we had gone through the pictures of globalization. 2 pictures were there, one showing the yesteryears, how the only waterways was the source of communication. Now in the 21st century many sources came around the world. And lastly we have gone through this picture where a rural poor woman is speaking, assume that she is speaking to her son who is actually working in some other foreign countries, and she can see her son also, she can have a talk also due to this advancement of communication technology. Clear? So I hope that whatever points we have read today, it's now clear to you. So with that I will wind up today's topic. Thank you.